It's a 2013 Audi S7. Unbridled performance pairs with incomparable luxury. The result is this magnificent S7. Features include automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, driver selectable mode, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, multi-zone climate control, external memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming mirrors, and twin-turbo V8 engine. Edmunds.com adds the S7 is far from just a straight-line thrill machine, as it comes with an air suspension that filters out the inevitable road harshness that comes with the use of low-profile, high-performance tires. Meanwhile, variable damping delivers a comfortable, controlled ride over broken pavement and super slab freeway alike. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Experience it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.